So thank you for joining me today. I'm Jeremy Redmond, Solutions Specialist at Glympse. Glympse is based in Seattle, Washington, and a Microsoft ISV partner with preferred status for location sharing technology. We concentrate on field service, delivery, and curbside pickup. Today we'll concentrate on field service. And I hope everyone can hear me okay. So if you're not familiar with Glympse, we do offer a free consumer location sharing mobile app via Google Play and the App Store. Give it a try. Google Play actually rates us as editor's choice. So Glympse started with this free consumer app in 2008 and scaled it to an enterprise solution. So now Glympse has built the most advanced location-powered digital customer experience solution in the market today. And it's installed on over 40 million mobile devices. Glympse has managed solutions for Microsoft, found on Microsoft AppSource, Oracle, SAP, Salesforce, Descartes. As well, Glimpse's SDK and API make it possible to integrate with API-friendly applications. It can be a standalone solution, or you may leverage an existing mobile app, which is actually preferred. So Glympse for D365 field service and delivery is currently available from Microsoft AppSource now, and Glympse for D365 Commerce curbside pickup will be available Q4 of 2020. So very, very shortly. I'm just going to show some workflows here. So this is an example of Glimpse's customizable workflow. Glympse will be branded with your color and logo. Even the vehicle can contain your logo. So here's scheduled. The first step, it's an initial notification goes out to the customer, email or SMS, that the service has been scheduled, and includes the service details like scheduled date and time, work order details, mobile worker information. If we move on to ETA, on the day of the service, a reminder will go to the customer. This can help alleviate the dreaded customer not at location scenario and costly repeat truck rolls. Move on to live. So the customer will receive a notification that the mobile worker is on their way and will start sharing their location. This will provide an accurate ETA, taking into account weather and traffic. This also allows the customer to prepare for the arrival and avoid calling customer care asking, "Where's my mobile worker?" There is also an option to cloak the worker, and we will show you that a little bit later. Now, if we move on to arrived, the customer will receive a notification that the mobile worker has arrived on location. As well, this notification can be transmitted to dispatch. And then complete. Once the service is complete, the customer has the option to provide feedback. Now, customers are more likely to provide feedback immediately after the service rather than hours or days later. So these are some of Glimpse's customers who generate over 20 million glimpses per month. AAA has 45,000 mobile workers, Charter Communications, 25,000 mobile workers, and Dell Technologies, 23,000 mobile workers. Now, we just went live with Goodman Networks in August of 2020, leveraging D365 field service. Now, these customers demand the highest standards in privacy and security. So rest assured that Glympse is private and secure, backed by our SOC 2 Type 2 certification, which is actually the gold standard in data security and privacy. So more than ever, your customers expect a Glympse experience for curbside delivery and field service. Two of the biggest factors leading to poor service in the field service and delivery segments are clients waiting for service providers to arrive and not having them arrive when expected. Glympse can help with this. So field service and delivery appointments may be the only in-person interaction a customer has with the business. and the experience they'll most likely judge the entire brand on. If it's a positive experience, they're more likely to recommend a brand to their friends. Net Promoter Score, and more likely to keep doing business with the company. Higher CSAT leads to higher lifetime customer value. So we're now going to dive deeper into Glympse for D365 field service. Now, before I do, I'll also mention some curbside, let's say. So you might have a customer or be a customer that would actually leverage a large scope of Microsoft offerings and Glympse. So, for example, Best Buy. You may order a TV online and have a choice to pick up at store or have the product delivered. As well, you may leverage Best Buy's Geek Squad field service to install the TV, all by leveraging Glympse and D365 Commerce and field service together. I just wanted to mention that. So here's Glimpse's plugin found on Microsoft App Source. It integrates into D365 field service. And you can see that here on the right-hand side. Glimpse is a managed package and leverages D365 field service entities like existing booking status and bookable resources. Now, it's really important to note and understand that all the heavy lifting is D365 field service. I like to say Glimpse is the last mile cherry on top. So over 400,000 technicians use Dynamics Field Service to help them with their remote business requirements. Glimpse enhances field service and delivery by some of the following. For the mobile worker, customer will be prepared for their arrival. For the customer, less worry of when the mobile worker will arrive. Additional confidence that they are working with a professional organization. And for the corporation, data insights, reduction in customer care calls, avoid repeat truck rolls, and security of knowing the location of your mobile worker. Glimpse even builds their applications with battery life optimization in mind. This brings us back to Glimpse's customizable workflow, again with your branding. So an ROI takeaway here is Glimpse assists in avoiding customers calling in asking, where's my mobile worker, or the dreaded customer not at location scenario. So you have to ask, how much do customer calls or repeat truck rolls cost you? And we're going to be able to show you some ROIs very shortly. So here's an example of Albertsons, the second largest supermarket chain in North America, which has just over 2,700 stores. Albertson is using Glympse for grocery delivery. By leveraging Glympse, Safeway reduced customer not at location scenarios by 43% and reduced customer care requests by 63%. So Glimpse, but wait, there's more. Glimpse provides additional communication features, two-way messaging, IVR, interactive voice response, chatbot, and mobile marketing platform. We're going to dive deeper into these. So one or two-way messaging. You can route calls to the call center or mobile worker. It's really up to you, avoiding the need for the mobile worker to respond while en route. Glimpse's API integrates to the customer's smart IVR, interactive voice response, telephony system. This is an automated system that will search the database for scheduled services and automatically respond with service-related details, such as scheduled date and time, ETA of the mobile worker. IVR further improves call deflection to your call center. A large percentage of inbound calls are appointment related. So some questions to ask yourself here is, how many appointment delivery related calls do you receive to your call center per month? What is your average cost per call? What is your operations cost per delivery? What is the financial impact of a missed delivery or service call? Glimpse alone will help with these pain points. Adding IVR and chatbot will enhance the ROI further. So here's an example from Charter Communications, an American telecommunications and media company providing services to over 26 million customers in 41 states. Glimpse's location visibility combined with IVR integration reduced call center volume by 68%. How much would that save you? For Charter, it's $1.5 million a month in call center cost savings. As well, by leveraging the Glimpse app, Charter decreased customer not at home scenarios by just under 10%. By leveraging Glimpse, Charter has received a full return on investment within the first month, which is pretty typical for our customers. Now, a customer could also leverage the chatbot via their website, taking advantage of the Microsoft Power Platform. This supports automated responses to appointment requests like, when is my appointment? Where's my mobile worker? Via your website. Here's an example from TruGreen, the nation's largest lawn care company serving over 2.3 million customers in the United States with 349 locations. Glimpse's chatbot functionality is used by TruGreen to help alleviate customer care reps, deflecting live chats with customers. TruGreen reduced customer care call volume by 25% when they first initiated Glimpse. Later, by adding IVR and chatbot, they reduced customer care calls by another 10%. This is the Glimpse additional mobile marketing platform, and this is really exciting. This can help further engage the customer. Campaign space, special offers, targeted add-ons. Now, you have a captive audience with 5 minutes on average view time. So showcase additional products for upsell or share important information. Papa John's, an American pizza franchise, is the 4th largest pizza delivery restaurant chain in the United States. They attribute a 4% store order increase based on the Glimpse additional marketing platform. Glimpse is integrated with Papa John's existing applications, Papa Track and POS system. Papa John's is leveraging existing GPS units in their vehicles, call them GPS pucks, and generate over 120 million glimpses per year. So through the journey, we're going to accumulate data. So leverage Power BI or predefined dashboards. So what KPIs are most important to you? We find on-site data helps with identifying issues with mobile worker that they may have. Example, Kevin is on location 20% more than his colleagues. Why? Maybe needs additional training, does not have the proper tools, vehicle issues, etc. We're going to be able to identify that. As well, insights into the mileage techs are actually traveling versus what they report. So the Glimpse console is embedded in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. With Power BI and Glimpse combined, you can generate the exact report you need by combining both data sources. For supervisors or managers, provide them an overview. The information can be presented regionally or to a specific mobile worker. Now, I showed you some ROIs. So Glimpse's location visibility returns excellent ROI. So reduce field service operations expenses, provide better customer service, and improve margins. The majority of Glimpse customers see a full return on investment within the first month. So on average, we see the following ROI from our customers. A 10 to 35% reduction in not at location. So that's a wasted truck roll. 25 to 40% deflection in appointment-related calls, such as, is my service still scheduled? Where's the technician? And with IVR integration, we have seen that jump to a record 68% of customer care call reductions, allowing more time for call center staff to assist other customers. Glimpse customers also report noticeable increases in CSAT and NPS as well. That's customer satisfaction and net promoter score. Here's an example from AAA, an automotive and service organization with over 60 million members and 42,000 technicians. AAA reduced customer care calls by 30%, leveraging the Glimpse location sharing, and reduced customer not on site by 8%, lowering their repeat truck rolls. So Glimpse is integrated with AAA's existing mobile app. Now I do have one more use case I'd like to show you here. Here's an example from Dell, an American multinational computer technology company that develops, sells, repairs, and supports computers and related products. So they have 23,000 technicians in 104 countries. What I like to emphasize is the support for 31 languages. The language shown is dependent on the mobile device's settings. We are integrated in Dell's mobile app, and you can see here that a branded solution. We also here on the ETA can show the cloaking. So in this example, we're not giving the exact area, pinpoint essentially, of the mobile worker. This is cloaked. So what we're saying is your mobile worker is somewhere in this area, but we're not giving an exact intersection. Glimpse even has the ability to report canceled or missed appointments. And Dell has taken advantage of the additional marketing platform to notify customers of upcoming events, new products, and promotions. So what's in it for the corporation? Branded customer experience, improved point of communication, call deflection, reduced repeat truck rolls, instant end user feedback, additional marketing platform with a captive audience, on average 5 minutes, data insights, KPI, and added employee security. So I'm happy to take questions. And also feel free to contact me, jeremy@glimpse.com. I'm happy to discuss the Glimpse solutions further with you. And while we're waiting for those questions, let me add that I'm so excited to work with a company like Glimpse. We can provide such great ROI, and these ROIs are pretty much unheard of, and it's exciting to be able to provide such impact to customers. So if we have any questions, I'm very happy to take those. Now, one of the questions might be regarding pricing. So Glimpse does price per, it's really volume pricing. So per work order, or Glimpse, we like to say, so the full workflow. So it might be anywhere between 9 cents and a few dollars, really depending on the size of the company.